Today's episode is going to something different. Today, I'll show you how to prepare a succulent tray by your own and create a wonderful showpiece to your home. I'll do it with everything available at home. So for beginners who want to create their first succulent tray, this video is for them. So, welcome back to my channel Hobbies and More. I'm Sudeshna and today I'll guide you step by step to create your own eye-catching first ever succulent tray. Let's dive in. First, choose a flatter pot with a drainage hole. This is crucial for succulents to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. I have this beautiful ceramic pot that I'll be using for our succulent tray. For beginners, I am giving you some example. You can make sand, vermicompost, perlite. If you have cinder and wood charcoal, it is very good. Then mix everything almost in equal proportion properly and fill your pot. Your DIY succulent pot mixture is ready. Now start decorate your tray with your available succulent. Whatever succulent you have with you, just start putting this in your tray. Keep in mind the succulent which are taller in nature, keep in the outside of the tray or a single side of the tray and the smaller one in the other side of the tray. Okay. When you're decorating your succulent tray, remember not to overcrowd it with too many elements. It might look beautiful initially, but it can make it difficult to maintain your plant's health in the long run. Make sure to leave plenty of spaces for watering and maintenance. This will keep your succulent healthy and thriving. That's it for today. I'd love to hear your comments about this decoration. Your ideas might help me elevate mine even further. So, leave your suggestions and thoughts in the comments below. I'll be back with a brand new episode next Monday. Until then, happy planting and take care. Bye.